There is an Olympiad math question from UNC to solve for x, given that 3 to the power x is equals to x to the power 9. We're going to use two different methods in solving this. Let's start by the easy method. Okay, if you put 3 here and 3 here, that is just logical. Let's try something easy. 3 to the power 1x times 3 is equals to 1x to the power 9 times 3. Okay, I'm using this strategy. It's not like it's something calm, but let's just try it. We're going to have what? 3 to the power 3x is equals to what? X to the power 27. Okay, you know our logarithm, that is ln x. Ln a to the power n is equals to what? N ln a. Okay, hence if you have that, you are going to have what? 3x. You are going to have 3x. Let's take first of all the x, that will be x ln 3 to the power x is equals to what? 27 ln x. Hence you are going to have what? 3 to the power 3, sorry, 3 to the power 3 is equal to 27 ln x. Hence, you can divide here by x, and by 27, you are going to have ln x. This ln x all over x is equals to what? Ln 3 to the power 3 is 27 all over 27. We find ourselves having our x is equals to what? 27. Okay. We're going to ask the question, why are we using this 3 at this point? I know there's a question you ask yourself. Okay, after analyzing this question, first of all, because if you give this question, you're not just going to jump and start doing x ln 3 is equals to 9 ln x. You're going to be fucking up at this point because you're going to have this all over 9 and ln x all over x. Okay, having this, actually, you're going to look at this question and see that if you could have 27 here, that is by 3, that is 3 cubed, and times 3, you're going to have, if you could have a number so that x and x, so that this would be like x all over x, and that number could be what? 27, as a brief example, because 3 to the power 3 is 27 and 9 times 3 is equals to 27. And directly coming to this question back, you take a look at this, you see that this order is a power, and here also is at this point, you see it. Then if you multiply this x by 3 and this one also by 3, you see, you're going to come out with what you saw here. Because when you're going to apply the ln function, you're not going to apply it directly on both of them. Okay, you're going to take only one part and keep the other one safe. You see, because you can have ln, you can have a to the nx. And you prefer to just have x ln a. That's the same thing as ln a to the power n. That's normal. Depending on you, you can first of all expand this before doing the other simplification. Is that by using this method, it's quite easy, because if you bring down this 3, you are going to come back to something like this. That is why we keep this 3 here and use only the x, bring the x down, so it should look similar to this. Hope you understanding exactly what we do. Okay, let's try the second method. That is a longer method, a bit more complicated.